Okay, you three, get in there. Now you'll probably end up making sure all your nuts and bolts are tight, because I think things are going to be rattling off of that. Good job on getting that back together, though. Where at? Okay. You'll be able to, when you get it in there, you get it fixed. Hey, that's smooth. You did a good job. She is running smooth.